In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the URL links in Todoist. If you've encountered issues with broken or incorrect links in your Todoist tasks, don't fret. We're going to walk through a simple step-by-step process to ensure your links are accurate and functional. First things first, let's head over to the Todoist application. If you're working from a web browser, go ahead and open your preferred browser and type in the Todoist web address, or just click on the Todoist bookmark if you have one saved. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. On the main screen, you'll see a variety of options on the left-hand side. Next, locate and click on the My Projects option. This will display all the projects you've created, making it easier for you to locate the specific task with the link you need to fix. Do take your time navigating through this list, especially if you have several projects. Once you've identified the project that contains the task you're interested in, click on it. This action will expand the task list and show detailed information about the tasks within that specific project. Browse through the tasks and find the one with the incorrect URL link. Remember, attention to detail is key here to ensure you are editing the correct task. Now that you've found the task, you'll notice a pencil icon nearby indicating it's ready for edits. Click on this pencil icon. This action will allow you to enter edit mode for the task where you can adjust any details, including the URL link. Editing in Todoist is quite intuitive, but if it's your first time, just take it slow. Inside the edit window, double-check the URL link. It's essential to ensure that the URL is correct, free of typos or any unwanted characters that might disrupt its function. If you do spot any errors, now is the time to correct them. Make sure your link starts with the proper protocol, like HTTP or HTTP, as this helps in verifying the link's accuracy. Once you've confirmed that the URL is correct, it's a good measure to visit the link one more time to ensure it leads to the correct web page. You can do this by opening another tab, pasting the link in the address bar, and seeing if it directs you to the desired location. If everything checks out, copy the verified URL and return to your Todoist task edit window. Now, paste the corrected link in the appropriate field. Take a moment to ensure everything looks good. Sometimes a quick glance can save you from overlooking potential mistakes. Finally, when you're satisfied with the task details and the URL, don't forget to hit the Save button. This action will finalize your changes and ensure that your task is updated with the correct link. And there you have it. You've successfully fixed the URL links in Todoist, ensuring your tasks have accurate and working links for future reference. Taking these precautions enhances productivity, ensuring all your resources are just a click away. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.